Honda Rebel 300 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. When it comes to motorcycles designed for novice riders, the Honda Rebel 300 stands out as an exceptional choice. With a perfect blend of approachable power, user-friendly features, and stylish design, the Rebel 300 has earned its reputation as the ultimate motorcycle for beginners. Optimal power and performance. The heart of the Honda Rebel 300 is its 286cc single-cylinder engine, which strikes a balance between power and manageability. This engine provides sufficient power for city commuting and highway cruising, while still offering a smooth throttle response that is ideal for those who are new to riding. This balance ensures that beginners can ease into their riding experience without feeling overwhelmed by excessive power. Beginner-friendly weight and size. Weighing in at a manageable 364 pounds, 165 kilograms, the Rebel 300 is designed to be beginner-friendly in terms of weight. Its compact dimensions further enhance its approachability, making it easy to maneuver through traffic and navigate tight spaces. New riders can confidently handle the bike without feeling physically strained. Comfortable and relaxed riding position. One of the standout features of the Rebel 300 is its comfortable riding position. The bike's low seat height and slightly forward-set handlebars promote an upright posture, reducing strain on the rider's back, wrists, and shoulders. This ergonomic design not only enhances comfort during short rides but also makes longer journeys more enjoyable. Smooth handling and stability. The Rebel 300 chassis and suspension are tuned for smooth handling and stability, offering a reassuring ride for beginner riders. Its nimble maneuverability allows for easy navigation through urban streets, while its stable construction instills confidence when taking on curves and turns. Iconic cruiser design. The Rebel 300's design pays homage to classic cruiser aesthetics while incorporating modern elements. Its minimalist and retro-inspired appearance makes it visually appealing, creating a bike that is not only easy to ride but also a joy to look at. The iconic cruiser design also contributes to the overall riding experience, boosting rider confidence and pride. Enhanced safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for beginner riders, and the Rebel 300 takes this seriously. It comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, which helps prevent will lock up during sudden braking, thereby increasing overall safety for riders, especially in less than ideal road conditions. Customization options. The Rebel 300 offers ample room for personalization, allowing beginners to make the bike their own. From various color options to aftermarket accessories, riders can tailor the bike's appearance to their preferences, fostering a deeper connection and sense of ownership. Efficiency and affordability. Affordability is often a key factor for those new to motorcycling. The Rebel 300 not only boasts a reasonable price tag but also offers impressive fuel efficiency. This ensures that beginners can embark on their riding adventures without worrying about frequent fuel stops or high costs. Room for skill progression. The Rebel 300 is not just a beginner's bike, it's a platform for skill development. As riders gain experience and confidence, they can continue to enjoy the bike's capabilities without quickly outgrowing its performance. This adaptability ensures that the Rebel 300 remains a reliable companion throughout a rider's journey. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 300's combination of manageable power, comfortable design, user-friendly features, and iconic cruiser aesthetics makes it the ultimate motorcycle for beginners. With a focus on safety, comfort, and confidence building, the Rebel 300 offers new riders an excellent opportunity to embrace the world of motorcycling with ease. Whether for daily commuting or weekend getaways, the Rebel 300 is a gateway to a fulfilling and enjoyable riding experience for riders at the start of their journey.